So in this one, what we got is the first thing we had was we didn't have this value actually. Initially, we didn't have this 19, this part. So I'm just going to erase that. We didn't have this. Okay, so this was the given condition. So first what we used was to find out the y, to find the x value, we used the tan ratio because the opposite over adjacent, and the tan of 20 was known to me. And if I multiply 30 times tan 20, I get 10.919. So next up was once I get x, after that I have to find y value. So I can use the cosine ratio because cos 20 is adjacent, that is this side, over hypotenuse. So cos 20 is 30 over y. And if you solve for y, it is 30 over cos 20, which you can use calculator to find out. The next part is once you got the y value, in this triangle, we had to find z. So to find z, I had opposite side, basically. Opposite to 40 was basically this side was known to me. So the side that is known to me is this. Now, because this is 31.925, then I am going to use the sine 40 ratio, which is opposite over hypotenuse. So I got the hypotenuse length from there, like by making z the subject. So z is 31.925 over sine 40. Now that comes to 49.66. This is 49.66. And the last was to find out the angle, missing angle. So you could use either Pythagoras to find this side, but that becomes a little lengthy. So you could use the adjacent side already known and hypotenuse known. So you could best use was the cos ratio. So cos t is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 0.604. And then you can use calculator to find out the exact value of this angle, which is 52.8 correct to one decimal place. For this question, what we are supposed to find is the missing x value. So the first thing is that the first important information what I'm going to use is to find out this total length until here, and then I'm going to use this length and subtract them. So let's see what ratio is the best suited for this. So I have the opposite side and I got the adjacent side. So what I can do is I can use tan of 75, which is, let's say if I take this as A, B, and C to be precise. So tan 75 will be 40 over AB. Uh, that gives you AB is 40 over tan 75. So this value is basically 10.717. And the next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply trigonometry in this big triangle to find out this length AC. So tan 60, same ratio if I apply, that is going to be 40, our opposite side is 40, and over AC. Now, if you make AC the subject, it is 40 over tan 60. So if I find the value of 40 over tan 60, so basically this value is 40 over on tan 60 is 23.09. And so the value of X is 23.09 minus 10.717.